Oh, hey there! Welcome to Simple Science. My name is Sydney, and today's experiment is going to be making a DIY bounce ball. The materials for this experiment are some glue, measuring spoons, pretty warm water, something to stir with, 2 cups, and some borax. First step is going to be making your borax solution, which is adding 2 tablespoons of warm water and half a teaspoon of your borax into your cup and then stirring it until the borax dissolves. After your borax is dissolved, you can set that aside. You're going to get 2 tablespoons of glue and pour it into your second cup. If you wanted to add color for your bounce ball, now would be the time to add in your food coloring, a few drops, and then give it a good stir. After you have your glue, you're going to need 1 teaspoon of your borax solution. And pour it into your glue. Then you're going to let that sit for about 15 seconds before you give it a mix. After your 15 seconds, go ahead and give it a quick stir. And then once it starts clumping together, you can go ahead and take it out and mess with it in your hands. It's gonna be a little messy, but just wait till the ball forms. Ball has formed, go ahead and set it down for a quick second and then wipe your hands off, all that glue and stuff. And then once your hands are clean, you can go ahead and get back to playing. See how many times it takes you to bounce your ball into a cup. Hope you had fun today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.